Alright, hi guys. It's me again. I just checked on the weather, that snowstorm that I told you guys about this morning, and I am checking it again, and I don't know if it changed, but earlier it just changed the precipitation of the snow that a couple people are going to be getting. Let's see. Okay. Well, looks like they changed it again. So, um, instead of the precipitation in the average and the snowfall amounts that I mentioned earlier, now for the north central upper Michigan or west of north central upper Michigan, they we'll be seeing 6 to 12 inches of snow Sunday night through Monday night. Higher amounts exceeding 12 inches are possible across the Michigamme highlands of eastern Baraga and western Marquette counties. It says that a few isolated spots may see up to 18 inches of snow. So if you guys are eastern Baraga and western, and you guys are western Michigan Marquette counties, you guys could see up to 18 inches. The winds gust will be up to 45 miles an hour, so that may lead to power outages and tree damage. For the rest of the lower elevations can get up to 4 inches of snow. And again, it could lead to power outages and tree damage. Like I said, if any people are traveling through Upper Michigan late Sunday into Tuesday morning, you guys should monitor the update forecast from Marquette National Weather Services, or I can keep on, making videos and updating everybody what this storm can lead to and how much snow everyone could see. Like I said, if anybody is eastern and western if it's western, what is it? Let's see. If anybody is higher, for the higher elevations of west and northern central upper Michigan, again, you guys are going to get 6 to 12 inches. Higher amounts exceeding 12 inches are possible across the Michigamme highlands of eastern Baraga and western Marquette. For those people, for the north central upper Michigan people, you guys will be getting 6 to 12. And highlands of eastern Baraga and western Marquette counties, you guys could see up to 18 inches. And lower elevations will get 4 inches. Unless it changes overnight, I don't know. I will keep everyone updated, and I'm sure everybody's watching the weather about this. I did look on 9 and 10 News. 9 and 10 News did not say anything about it, so I don't know about that situation right yet. I know we're supposed to get 4 inches, but looks like Sunday night I will be getting a cold of 1 inch of snow, and then Monday I will be getting 1 to 3, so basically it will be 4 to 3 inches. And I don't know how it's gonna go, but hopefully just stays, the higher accumulation, stay away from us, Luce County and all that, and we just get a couple inches, unless, like I said, unless it switches over and it changes, then we will, I will be posting another video tomorrow, hopefully keeping everyone updated. And another thing I wanted to tell you guys is thank you for thank you for the thank you for the subs. 34 subscribers. Thank you for that. And keep on giving me subs, guys. Keep on giving me subscribers. Keep on getting them going so I can go live on YouTube and talk about anything and and stuff like that. If my boyfriend doesn't call me tomorrow, then I won't be going live. If he does call me, then I won't be going live or on making a video. Unless it's in the morning, I'll make a video in the morning. Other than that, that's the update, guys. And also, I'll be doing another section of Stitch probably tonight. I don't know. Looks like it, because I might have to. And then probably make another video. I don't know. Probably not. I think this is gonna be the only video I'm gonna be making tonight. So, yeah. Like I said, if I'm not online between today, today is Sunday already, from today and through Tuesday, that means I probably lost power. And yeah, so yeah. But thing I like again, for higher elevations, and I'm going to say this again to be prepared in case you guys do lose power. Anybody that's across the higher elevations of west and north central upper Michigan, y'all can get 6 to 12. Some spots can get 12 inches. 12 inches are possible across the Mishgami Highlands of Eastern Baraga and Western Marquette. And like I said, if you guys are around Eastern Baraga and Western Marquette counties, y'all could be seeing 18 inches. So that could probably be the best bet to bring out the shovels, bring out the plows, bring out anything. And if you guys do lose power, try to stay warm and do your shopping as you can while the weather is decent and not bad. That would be the best bet for you guys to do any shopping and any all that other stuff. So like I said, tomorrow, if there's a new update or a new a new update or a new thing or whatever, I'll keep y'all updated. I'll post a video tomorrow and keep you guys updated. And I hope everyone has a great night, and y'all stay safe out there. And thank you for the subscribes. Please give me 50. I'm counting on you guys. Y'all have a good night.